Hey, Tony, come back. It's here. Interview's here.
John,
This is the new CNC.
But isn't this just a video?
No, it's not a video. Take a look. So
This is a CNC we're looking at.
this is a CNC. This is a simulation of the CNC path. Yes.
No, and I was going to walk right by it.
I know. I thought I saw you going that way. I had to bring you back.
Well, thank you. All right, so this is the CNC. This is what we're going to talk about.
It is. This is the new Fanuc Series 500 CNC. Brand new. It's the only one here in IMTS. In the years to come, you're going to see these on every control or every machine out there. But this is the only one right now at IMTS.
This is the first of its kind, the only one. Our audience loves when they see the only one, the first to see it, right?
It is. This is the brand new deal, new control.
What sets this apart?
So 500i has some new features. We have integrated 5-axis technology built into the control. This is built as a 5-axis capable controller. There's cybersecurity built into the controller. So you'll be able to set up passwords on this for authentication. You could use barcode scanners, you could use QR codes, so much more cyber secure.
Have you had anyone come over here and play with this? Because it looks like a video, right? And
We have.
And you have already?
We have. They think they're watching a video and then they notice the positions changing on the screen, and some people start to figure it out, but that's why we're here, is to show and tell people what's actually going on.
So let's do a little bit of show and tell for everyone watching. I think you have this young man, Rob, ready to go.
Right, Rob.
He loves cameras, fortunately, but he's like us to stick to the questions and answers for the audience. So let's prove that this is not just a video. Let's speed it up, slow it down, make some adjustments. What do we have going?
Feed rate, we just turned the feed rate down so you can see that the video actually stops, so it's a real simulation. We can turn it back up, you can see it start back up. And then we can actually go into jog right here and move the axes around. So we can move this, bring this over here this way, and then we can actually start it back up. It'll go right back into the process. So it's definitely not a video. We're actually simulating what a real machine would be doing.
And you, my friend, are my hero, and you've created a hero, and it's a one of a kind as well, right?
Sure, for sure. Thank you.
Well, I know you didn't want to actually have an audio portion, so let's thank Rob for doing that. Thank you so much, Rob. All right, John, something else about this machine that I believe is kind of cool, as I was getting ready to walk by, is there's actually windows and stuff on the side.
There are.
And on the back side, we want to look at that as well. We're actually going to have a walking tour around this guy.
All right, let's go.
All right, so follow us, my friends, and let's take a look right here. You can actually see through. This is a window to the other side, and I'm going to prove it to you. John, I'm going to walk around, and I'm actually going to wave on the other side of what's going on. As we come back around, you've actually truly set this up like a CNC as a robo drill that you would look through.
Absolutely. You can see through both sides as if it was the real CNC, and we can see the machining process from either left or right side.
And the back?
And the back.
We have something going on in the back as well, right?
See the real star.
This is the real star.
The real star of the show is the new Fanuc 500i controller. So brand new, all the cybersecurity, 2.7 times faster block processing, all these, lots of functionality there. We've got Alpha ID servos. So in the Alpha ID, in the 500i, no more batteries, batteryless, no more having to change batteries every year. And slice I/O, so modular I/O here to save cabinet space, and also the Alpha ID is 10% more efficient than previous servo models.
The first thing that pops into my head, John, and you're welcome to correct me in all the areas where I'm incorrect, but the first thing that pops into my head is with AI taking off like it is right now, and all these different styles of programming is coming into play, and all the amount of information that's going to be needed to be processed. You said 2.7 times faster, right?
Yes.
So it's going to be able to adapt and incorporate that state-of-the-art AI systems that are going to be coming very soon, I imagine, in manufacturing.
Absolutely. It's built for the future. It's much faster. Same reliability as ever with Fanuc. but all those benefits.
All right, John, we're going to close out this interview. Are there any final messages that you'd like to convey to the audience who's watching right now and go, look, this is one of a kind, this is state of the art, this is 2.7 faster, this is the only one in all of IMTS right now, right? Any final messages you'd like to share with them just so they fully understand the true capacity of what this is able to bring them?
Absolutely, that's everything you just stated. We have a new control system, we have a new servo system, we have a new I/O system. This is all the reliability that you've come to expect from Fanuc in a brand new, smarter, faster model.
And you guys are truly reliable. Congratulations on your recent expansion as well. If we can just pivot the cameraman just a little bit and slowly for 1 second, here's the actual proof of the completed part in that video that John and I were just talking about. Also one of a kind, called a hero, which is why I called Rob the hero. This is Fanuc, this is your trustworthy partner, and this is more than just a video playing. Really, really cool. John, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.